Now stop 1 second. If you're still struggling with your personal makeup kit, I've made this video specially for you. Now grab your pen and paper because this is going to blow your mind, I hope. So I'm going to be using all products from YangaBeauty just so this is easy for you to shop. If you're messing with applying makeup, get a mixing pan. Prymmatte from YangaBeauty. Apply primer in the direction at which hair grows on your face. So apply it downwards. If you're on your forehead, apply it upwards. Make sure that dries up. Skip this next step if you've got dry skin. I'm going to take the YangaBeauty Blurfect in Milky. Apply it in the areas that I know I get oily. Smooth Match Foundation. 2 pumps. Get your beauty blender into the foundation. Make sure the foundation is smooth on the beauty blender. Start on the areas that need the most coverage and work the product out. Whatever is left on your beauty blender, take it down your neck. Get a concealer that is about a shade or 2 lighter than your skin tone. Use a brush like this one. Looks just like this. And apply just a little bit in the inner corner. And then the outer corner. It lifts up your face. Just the bridge and the tip. Get the pointed part of my beauty blender. Make sure the concealer is smooth on your beauty blender. And then blend. Next, you want to contour. I'm going to get the same concealer in SMC 6. 1, 2. Forehead. Chin. Get this foundation brush by YangaBeauty and blend. Down towards the lip and up towards your temple. Blend the tip of the nose. Blend the forehead. You can use what's left over on the brush to contour your nose inwards and the other way. Now it's time to set the under eye with the Blurfect setting powder in cinnamon. Make sure there are no creases. That is the secret to a seamless under eye. Working quickly, you want to get that product, dispense on your palm, push that in. Do not drag, push. The bridge of your nose and everywhere you applied concealer. You want to get your setting powder in milk, dispense the rest on the palm of your hands, and then apply for a brighter under eye. Using the YangaBeauty powder brush, I'm going to get a powder that is the same shade as my face. Push in, do not drag. For a quick eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the Arielle palette by YangaBeauty. This brown shade. Using a shader brush, I'm going to pat that under my eyes. I'm going to apply my concealer on the lid. Take that same brown and apply it onto my crease. Circular motions. Take it from the lash line and bring it out. Circular motions and out. Now take any color on the palette and then apply it to the center. That's simple. Blend if you need to. So you want to expose your waterline like so, and then gently apply the color. And then I'm going to take the fine liner brush with black gelato and then fill in any gaps. Mascara, shake and drag down. Brow lotion. You want to outline your brows. Outline the top, connect, and fill in the gap. I then define with a concealer that is close to my skin tone using the flat Verge. Get a fluffy brush and blend the edge of the concealer. For a more professional finish, you can use the booster base on your brows. Finish the lips off with some gloss. If you're a blush kind of girl, by all means, please apply blush. Apples of the cheek, up to the temple. And to finish off, you want to get your setting spray. And that's it, guys. That is the look. I hope I was able to help 1, 2, or maybe 200 people create a look with your personal makeup kit. I'm going to list all the products that I used below, and I hope this video is not too long. Thanks for watching. My G, Sholowo, go let's spend on your own. My G, I'm on your own.